Hello?
Hi, Daniel.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, good. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, just dry throat.
Oh, no. I think we're just waiting on Christy now.
Okay.
And Cynthia said she couldn't come, right?
I think that's what she said, yeah.
And are we missing anyone else?
Megan? So,
Yeah.
um,
I sent it. Whitney's email was wrong when I sent it to her. Hold on.
well, she has that comma in it, so probably it's a period
Yeah.
instead.
Or nothing at all. I think it's just Hurst.
Oh, okay.
We'll see.
We can do both lessons, but I need to leave. I have something at 6. If we don't finish by that time, I'll just have to leave.
Okay. I mean, we don't have to do both lessons. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, the first lesson I saw is just 13 questions. It doesn't seem too hard. I don't know about the second lesson, the group meeting, I mean.
Did you have any questions on the preparation assignment?
No, I don't think.
That's like half of the time that we always use is going through those. So if you don't have any questions on them, we can just skip to the homework quiz.
Yeah.
Hello? Whitney?
Hello.
I think I found you.
Okay, good.
Sorry. You had
That's
the
okay.
comma in your email,
Oh, dang it. Sorry.
and I think that was messing it up, but we got it.
Awesome.
So Daniel and I were talking. Do you have any questions on the preparation assignment, Whitney?
I can't think of anything specific.
Okay. Did you want to go through it, or did you want to just move on to the homework?
I think we just move on to the homework.
Okay. I can read the first question.
All right.
It says, while you're required to work on this quiz, never mind. Use the following information to answer the next three problems. Human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of the people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. The blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. True.
I would say true.
Does it add up to 1? That's what
Yeah.
we'll find out.
Yeah, it all adds up to 1, I think.
Does it for sure?
So it's 85 plus 11. I mean, it's 96 plus 4. It's 100.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Number 4. What is the probability that randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Round to the nearest decimal places. 2 decimal places. So isn't that where we add up?
Isn't
Or
it the 1 over, I guess there's 4 types? Is that right?
Or is it 0.11 over 4? Hold on, I have it.
Well, the O-type blood has a 45% of, well, technically the 45% of the population have O-type, so I would say 45 over 100. Wouldn't that be the right thing?
Yeah, so, but it's asking for decimal places, so it's gonna be,
Oh, 1 second, let me pull out Excel.
let me go get my papers. So it would just be 0.45.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood? So this would be the 1 minus the 0.45.
Yeah,
Yes.
that is 55? No, 65 or 50. 55.
Yeah, 0.55. Use the following information. Sorry, I'm reading all of them. Somebody else can read if they want to.
I can read the next one.
Okay.
Question 6 says, if the dog, use the full information to answer the next 2 questions. Caroline Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Question 6, sorry. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing specimens from the bladder cancer patient? It's it's 1 out of 6, right? If
Yeah.
it says the dogs at random, so randomly picking 1 from 6. If you divide 1 divided by 6, you get
But
0.16 or 0.17.
wouldn't it? There's 7 samples though.
Oh, are there?
It's a 7 bowls containing urine.
Oh, that's true. Sorry.
Oh.
So it would be 1 over 7.
Yeah. So that decimal is
114.
In a,
Okay, I'll read.
okay, go
Oh,
ahead.
well, go. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified a specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely like the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dog can detect bladder cancer. There is little evidence that dog can detect bladder cancer.
I'd say it provides strong evidence.
Me too.
Well, the statement is saying that it's very unlikely that the dog would do this well by randomly chance alone, but there is a chance that it's randomly. But did the reading mention anything about strong or weak evidence? I don't remember.
Let me look.
I don't find any word with evidence. So. Yeah. If not, I would just, agree with you guys.
I think you would consider it provides strong evidence because it's almost half the amount of times.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, we can do what we did last week and submit it, and if we get it wrong, we can change it.
That's true.
Yeah. And it's easier because it's just two options.
Yeah. Use the following.
Go for it, sorry.
Use the following information to answer the next three questions. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&Ms website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy? It's 0.13, right?
They don't add up to 100, do they?
Well, we don't know because of that green.
Yeah, that's hard.
So it's just asking what the probability it is. It already gives it to us. I think they're going to ask us later on what the probability of a green is.
Okay.
Okay, let's see here.
Yep, that's the next question. What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? So we add those all up and subtract them from 1 to get the probability of a green, right?
Yeah. One, 4, 4. Did you get that? Oh, wait. 116.
Yeah, I got 0.16.
That's what I got too.
All right.
What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? So then it's just the opposite of what we did. 0.84.
Yeah.
The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States were taken from capex.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? Wouldn't that be the median? 24?
It says half of the observations are less than or equal to one number. Yeah, so
So
the median. So we'll have to list in order all those numbers and get the median.
well, the median's already given us to
Yeah.
us.
The 24.
It's 24.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then
Well-
24 then.
Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of students scored above what number?
20.
Wouldn't it be 22? Because,
Okay, I'm confused there because the third quartile would mean that the 75% had scored 27 or above,
yeah,
but isn't 27 like a high score compared to the 22?
yeah, but so it's asking the 25% of students. So 25% of students would be the quartile 1.
Okay, it just doesn't make sense to me, but yeah. Because more students got better grades than just the 25% got bad grades. It's usually the other way around.
Right.
But yeah,
Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? I just had those right here.
2.3 rules of probability.
If you list all the outcomes,
I think it's the third one.
Let me see.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's not right. Just by reading it doesn't make sense. All right, so that was it. I can go ahead and submit it
Yeah.
just to make sure, and I'll let you guys know if I'm wrong. Okay, I'm submitting it. And I think we have,
So the only one we got wrong was number 12.
yeah.
You know
So
what? You were right.
it's 27.
Uh-huh. I read that wrong.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. We're learning. I think we have another try.
They don't word those on purpose or anything.
Yeah, because the quartiles means
Yeah.
that,
And it was asking for 25% or higher. Or the like top 25% of the class.
let's see. Did you guys want to do the next one for the next week? I mean, for Thursday?
Yeah, I'm just going to resubmit this really fast.
Okay.
Do we just submit a link to this one for both then? Because it looks like we have to submit the on the discussion board a link for each one. Does that make sense at all?
That's what I don't even think the person that wanted to do both of them is here.
Oh,
So I don't know if she wasn't on our string of emails or.
Yeah, with one meeting, I'm good. It's better for my schedule.
So you're good if we meet again on Thursday?
No, I actually don't need if we are good with today.
Okay, that's fine.
It's better for my schedule just to meet once a week. That's what I'm trying
And
to
we can start a new recording, and
oh, that's true. We could do that.
so I'll do that if we want to end this discussion.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a minute. So I'll exit out of this one.
Okay.
All right. Good job, guys.